As we journey through life, our bodies undergo many changes. After 60, a significant shift occurs as our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass. It's a gradual process, but it's important to understand what's happening and why. This loss of muscle mass is a process called sarcopenia. It's a term you might not be familiar with, but it's a common experience as we age. This isn't your fault. It's not about something you did or didn't do. It's a normal part of aging, a natural progression that affects us all to varying degrees. This process is primarily driven by hormonal changes and a slower ability to build muscle. Our bodies simply don't create muscle as efficiently as they once did. As hormones like growth hormone, which is vital for tissue repair, and testosterone decline, the body's ability to maintain muscle mass is compromised. As a result, our bodies struggle to repair and grow muscle tissue as effectively as they used to. The recovery process becomes slower and less complete. We also become less efficient at using dietary protein, which is essential for muscle building and repair. This means that muscle breakdown can outpace growth, leading to a net loss of muscle mass over time. Furthermore, a more sedentary lifestyle often accelerates this loss. When we are less active, our muscles receive less stimulation, and when we use our muscles less, our bodies break them down faster, adhering to the principle of use it or lose it. This isn't just about strength or how much weight you can lift. Muscle loss affects balance, making everyday movements more challenging. It increases fall risk, which can have serious consequences, and slows metabolism, impacting overall health. Strong muscles support joints, providing stability and reducing the risk of injury. They also help manage weight and blood sugar, contributing to better metabolic health. The good news? Understanding why this happens, recognizing the factors that contribute to muscle loss, is the first and most important step to fighting back and taking control of your health. Staying active and eating well, focusing on a balanced diet rich in protein can significantly slow muscle loss. Maintaining muscle mass will keep you independent, allowing you to continue enjoying the activities you love. Even simple activities like walking, a gentle yet effective way to stay active, or gardening, which combines physical activity with mental stimulation, make a difference. Let's explore a powerful, natural way to support your muscles as you age, empowering you to live a healthier, more active life. Let's explore a simple yet profound secret, hidden within an ancient seed. Enter tahini, a creamy, luscious paste crafted from ground sesame seeds. This isn't just any condiment, it's a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. For centuries, tahini has been cherished in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern diets, a staple ingredient passed down through generations. It's more than just food, it's a cultural cornerstone. Tahini is packed with essential nutrients and plant-based protein, making it a fantastic addition to any balanced diet. This makes it especially valuable for seniors, who often need easily digestible sources of protein and vital nutrients to maintain their health and vitality. Grinding the seeds into a smooth paste not only enhances the flavor but also makes their nutrients easier to absorb, unlocking their full potential. This is particularly important as our digestion naturally slows with age, making it crucial to maximize nutrient absorption from the foods we eat. Its healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals work synergistically to support overall well-being. These components are essential for maintaining muscle strength and promoting bone health, which are vital for an active and independent lifestyle. Tahini is simple, natural, and incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can effortlessly add it to both sweet and savory dishes, enhancing their flavor profiles and nutritional value. Cultures known for their remarkable longevity have relied on sesame as a dietary staple for generations, recognizing its numerous health benefits. By adding tahini to your daily diet, you tap into this ancient wisdom, providing your body with the support it needs for modern muscle maintenance and overall vitality. It's a small, delicious change that can make a big difference, helping you stay strong, energized, and enjoy a vibrant life. Many older adults mistakenly cut back on protein intake, thinking they need less as they age, which is a common misconception. In reality, your protein needs actually increase as you get older, because your body processes it less efficiently than it used to. Skipping protein altogether means your body breaks down muscle tissue to get what it needs, unfortunately speeding up muscle loss in the process. Relying on just one or two protein sources repeatedly can leave significant nutritional gaps in your diet. Plant-based proteins such as tahini offer high-quality protein, plus healthy fats and essential minerals, without the potential downsides often associated with some animal products. Spread your protein intake evenly throughout the day. try to add tahini to your breakfast or lunch for steady and consistent muscle support. Simple changes like this can help keep your muscles strong, healthy, and resilient. What makes tahini such a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to supporting muscle health as we age? It's a question worth exploring, as maintaining muscle mass and strength becomes increasingly important for overall well-being in our later years. What are the specific components of tahini that make it so beneficial for muscle health? Well, just 2 tablespoons provide 5-6 grams of plant-based protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue, and adequate intake is crucial, especially as we age and our bodies become less efficient at synthesizing protein. Beyond protein, tahini is also rich in magnesium, which supports optimal muscle function and muscle recovery after physical activity. Unfortunately, many older adults are low in magnesium, which can lead to muscle cramps, general fatigue, and reduced physical performance. So, incorporating tahini into your diet helps fill that gap and ensures your muscles have the magnesium they need. Furthermore, its healthy, unsaturated fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, and they also help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like D, which is vital for both muscle and bone health. Beyond that, tahini also supplies essential minerals like phosphorus, iron, and calcium, which are crucial for maintaining strong bones and ensuring oxygen-rich blood flow to your muscles. When combined, these nutrients create a holistic foundation for sustained strength, increased vitality, and overall well-being. So, a spoonful of tahini is a simple and delicious way to nourish your muscles from the inside out, providing them with the essential nutrients they need to stay strong and healthy. It's a small habit, but it can lead to big benefits for your muscle health and overall quality of life. The best health tips are easy to follow and seamlessly integrate into your day. Tahini fits right in, offering a nutty flavor. Use it as a delicious spread on toast, drizzle it generously over salads or veggies, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy, protein-rich boost that will keep you going. Dip crisp apple slices or crunchy carrots in tahini for a healthy and satisfying snack. When shopping, choose tahini with just sesame seeds and maybe a little salt. That's all you need. No added sugars, unnecessary fillers, or oils. Stir in the natural oil that separates for a smooth, easily pourable texture. Adding tahini to your meals is a simple and delicious step toward better strength and greater independence. Pick up a jar on your next grocery trip and give it a try. You might be surprised. Small changes like this can truly make a big difference in your overall health and vitality.